Orlando Pirates North, Al Ahly FC North. This was a Champions League match between the two African giants, Orlando Pirates ne Al Ahly. Bebedlala i-second match kwi-group stages. They both shared points. Ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale match le, yabo. Starting with ama-positives. Kungijabulisile kakhulu ukubona uSaleng ebuyela kwile game le Orlando Pirates. Besimdinga impela uSaleng kwisquad se-Orlando Pirates because mbusathi ukubheka kwigame yanamhlanje. Kwigame yanamhlanje simbonile ukuthi uSaleng ulumdlali odingakalayo ku-Orlando Pirates. Yize sidrawile ngo-0-0. Ubonile lapha kuleya game uSaleng ube mnandi kakhulu ube nawo ama-chances yabo kwala kona ukuthi ama-chances awasebenzanga kahle. uSaleng ulomdlali lo ongakwazi ukumcoacha yabo as a coach you cannot coach uSaleng because uSaleng ukwenzela into ayithanda yena indlela amnandi ngakhona ucreative uSaleng but kwigame yanamhlanje mina kubona kwami I feel like Orlando Pirates bewudinga unumber 10 because number 10 role lapha besinginayo uTito namhlanje ubengekho ebenchini ubengekho futhi esquadini and lonto isibulalile namhlanje first half ubonile ukuthi besimdinga unumber 10 umdlali ozozidlalela lapha because playing umfukenge as unumber 10 akumnikezi le freedom lo ukuthi akwazi ukuhlehla ibhola ajike mase yabo create lama chances ajolo ukwenza umfukenge siyamazi medlala eziwing umfukenge uyakwazi ukutake on ama defender but medlala as unumber 10 yabona namhlanje umbonile nje ukuthi umfana ubenginayo ifreedom because ama defender Al Ahly bela again yabo methi uyaphenduka ama defender la methi uyaphenduka ama defender la so bengenayo ifreedom ukuthi enze izinto zakhe kungijabulisile namhlanje ukubona abafana bengena bedlala because namhlanje as ama fans besitsho ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyothola kanzima because iyodlala with one of the best teams in Africa yabo iAl Ahly but kungidumazela ukubona iAl Ahly imosha isikhathi yabo iAl Ahly every chance they get benza sure ukuthi ba slower down igame yabo Orlando Pirates mi attack kakhulu mikushawa ama shots ibhola maliphumule benza sure ukuthi benza igame ibe slow I feel like igame play yeAl Ahly ube ukuthola ipoint koLorlando Pirates thola u3 points noma bathola ipoint bebengadlaleli nje ukuthi bazodliwa yize sibafakile kwingcindezi but bebenza short baya defender abafuni ukuconsider and abafuni futhi ukusinikeza ukuthi sithole ithuba bebelwela nje lo 1 point yabo but sibabonile bevumbuka second half batholile ama chance kanti uSipho Chayane ubekhona emuva kungijabulisile ukubona ama fans egcwele e-stadium namhlanje ezosupport Orlando Pirates ngathi ibhola la eSouth Africa ngaqhubeka libe kanje bafethu sisupportana ama negatives ale match le ngizoqala ngomdlali lo sekwama matches amathathu manje esithathu le match le lo mdlali lo akangiimpress angazi kwenze njani yabo because wayemnandi lo mdlali lo last season ngizokhuluma umbatha kule match le uluze amabhola amaningi esiswini angazi bekwenze njani but umbatha namhlanje same as last game same as that game we played against the Resultat umbatha angazi kwenze njani ngombatha mfethu kumele ahlaliswe phansi umbatha mfethu igame namhlanje umbatha bengekho mnandi bafethu and kungijabulisile ukubona lo uteam ebuya namhlanje uteam engathi uteam angena more off scene yabo because eswini I feel like eswini sesikhathele kakhulu lapha and another thing I feel like uDlamini uintroduce late ucoach umintroduce late uDlamini mamintroduce ngo 80 minutes uDlamini uyena umdlali ade semdinga ku first half uDlamini oqala nje yabo and uHotho namhlanje naye ube off uHotho namhlanje angazi bekwenze njani I feel like uHotho usejwayele ukudlala as left back kakhulu yabo kumkhuphula kakhulu yabo leya position asayijwayele ngalo ndlela because ama defender Al Ahly bekwazi ukumvala bengenayo freedom ukuthi agijime because uHotho siyamazi ukwazi ukusuka emuva agijima ephambili so many space phambili behluleke ukuthi arane kuleso space leso omunye umdlali yabo kumele sibe ne conversation about uMakgopa yabo I'm not a player that criticizes his players but I criticize ukuthi balungise lamaphutha abanawo yabo umbatha mela lungisa amaphutha akhe eswini umbatha mela ayeke ukubamba ibhola kakhulu umbatha uyimidfielder bebamba ibhola phasa bamba ibhola 1-2 eshe sa consider nje second half ebamba ibhola eflathile yabadlali beAl Ahly ebhenga kusini useboxini nokwenza cishe bathatha ibhola bashaya inqaku yabo nangenhlanhla Al Ahly yangakora and uMakgopa bafethu uMakgopa ngazi kwenze njani amakhopa be off namhlanje and another thing ungena kwamabasa ngibona kuyishintsha futhi igame because basa naye akayitholanga ispace esiningi and akasitholanga isikhathi esiningi ukuthi enza ama chance akhahlele lapha yabo naye uNkoto ungenile but yabo izinto beziyifanela nje ubeyintshotha uNkoto uzongena enza umehluko lapha kulela side leya but bekuyifanela but ke 1 point akusinani because uthathe against one of the best teams in Africa yabo sina 4 points right now so number 2 Al Ahly number 1 because last game they played against the Stade Abidjan they won with amagoli amaningi so equal difference yona yenze Al Ahly bu number 1 sinama point alinganayo game elandelayo so idlala naye Stade Abidjan eIvory Coast next week if I'm not mistaken ngomgqibelo Yeah, I'm happy with the point yabo. I'm happy with the point. So ungangitshela nawo ama comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale game le yabo. Imaphi ama positives akho wabonile, imaphi ama negatives wabonile le game le yabo. Wangifollow ngikhona ka YouTube ufika usubscribe lapha ngikhona futhi na ka Facebook nguVane Sports na Instagram futhi ngiyatholakala nguVane Sports yabo. Ngiyabonga abafeni ngesupport yenu. Ngicacise futhi amanye ama video ngenzeka ngiwaposte ka YouTube because uTikTok usenama video akhiphayo lami. Based on what reasons angazi yabo. Ama video ngiwashaya la ngenzeka TikTok ungawathandi so ngiwapostele ka YouTube. Ningadi noma nibona ama video la ngiwaposti kakhulu. uTikTok usuyangimonitor kakhulu izinto engizenzayo yabo. Kunabantu futhi asebeloko bengireporta so ngcono ngibale ngiye kwenye site but ngisazoqhubeka ngiposte because fana ukuthi nomndeni wami bafethu ngiyayibonga isupport yenu. Ngangitshela ama comments about le game lati sidlala namhlanje.